Hi guys, this is EU for week 4, and there's something I noticed in the brokers on TradingView, which is the ones that give you a longer time, a past price, how can I put it, a past display of price, and the ones that don't have up to that price. For example, I love using Wanda as my brokerage, but I noticed something when I started using FXCM. You can see Ohanda on my brokerage is presently showing me something apparently different. It's just showing me the last from 2006 recent to 2014, but when I did a research and I realized that it looks like FXCM gives a more past, you can see a more past description of price, so that you can have a better and a full chart view. So I realized that some of my analysis was wrong because of the data I got. The data I got on some brokers were not complete. So with what I got, I was able to do a top down with what I got, which is probably from here down. So they are still showing you that the market is still selling. Meanwhile, on the larger data coverage, the market has highlighted a pause at a particular extent. So because of that, I'll probably be using this for explanation for week 4 on EU. I probably did this with SMC, which I normally don't post on my YouTube, while I actually take my entries with SMC strategies. I love the use of support and resistance, but market structure is general, which is my highs, my lows, my lower highs, my lower highs, higher low, which is generally acceptable. So because of that, there's nothing to flinch about. So you guys can do also your research and see the difference in what I was just saying. The brokerage here is FXCM, and the brokerage here is forex.com. I think I have, it's just recently as I seen incomplete data, and as I had to have two pairs with different brokerage to see the difference. You can see I have GA here, BTC, gold, oil. You can see GU. Just trying to add all my pairs with FXM markets so that I can have a longer view. With this, I'm already looking for a sell. Meanwhile, the analysis here is not complete. The data given here is not complete. So I haven't done my support and resistance here. I only did my SMC here. I did my market structure here, and I realized that drawing out my supply and demands when I reached a limit to tell me that price is in a buy area for GU. So G is probably buying now to take out this high. Okay, so try and understand what I mean. Okay, so I'm going to be using this to explain GU, and don't feel so bad about it, because I've been on support and resistance. Yes, I wish I can have 2G 2 EU with FXCM. I can't clean out all this I've done because I took some time to sit and do all this. I can't clean it. I just needed them to guide and direct the analysis, so that's why I won't be able to clean them. It looks very, very detailed, but I could understand. So this previous low was responsible for breaking this high to form a new higher high. So market structure, we are waiting for a new higher low, and we spot a drop-based drop on a 3-month time frame. A drop-based drop. Sorry, when price reacted there, we have the first rally, drop, receive info from here, transfer of fund. Then we have the next rally, drop, this didn't come down here. Then we have this rally broke the previous high, that's changed the direction. So another block that is valid must break market structure, either to the change of direction or break market structure. So this end up changing the character of the market, which is the changing of the direction of the market from a downflow to a upflow. So this zone is very productive, and I'm expecting price to respect it. So when price got here in this recent 2024, I realized that 3 months candle close bullish engulfing, signifying that price is having what do we call it, price is having a reaction in this zone. Now we have the first what do we call, we have the first rally, price drop back into the base, so we're expecting a new rally. So this year I'm not expecting it to close below, I'm expecting it to buy up. So let's go down to monthly to see. When price got here, we have a reaction which forms bullish engulfing. So I'm expecting price to take out the most recent low, which broke the most recent high that broke this low, which is this high. So this is my first target now. This guy here is my first target, and I will use this to identify this guy here, because I'm looking to take out this guy, which is 2600. Yeah, 2600 is here, which is 2600 here. So price already touched into this, so I'm not looking for sell setups. So let's go down to weekly. I want everything to show. Please show down to why you want to show. Am I needing you now? Okay, I might not need you now, but daily must show. Why? Okay, let me do like this, and I need everything to display. So I go like this. So I want everything to display weekly, daily. I don't want them on here, but you should display on hourly also. Should you to be too much, just display on daily. I will complete it there. So let's go down to weekly. So this is it. Now this is a reaction that we are waiting for. Okay. So we have price break structure here in this low, break structure, price came back here, didn't take out this, right? Reacted, drop back to this base. So this base here might have a demand in, and this one here might have a demand in. So we have here to I hope you're not showing a monthly. Don't show monthly. Don't show monthly. This is weekly. Don't show monthly. This is weekly. So this is where price defined itself to change in direction. Okay. So this is the OB that is interested. So this hurts. I think I should just use something else instead of this. Let me use this. Price might not come back here, which is not a crime, but price might not come back. So let me just draw it out. So here might be an engagement for this zone. The truth is price might not come back. So when is the first retrace, we have this is another base, which is another demand. Okay, thank you. This is another demand which was reacted in here. Another demand here, and this has been filled up here. This has been filled up, boom. And also this is another demand here. When price rejected, we have a drop base drop. So this drop base, then rally base rally, we took out the side. This is the base, price represents that base, rally base. So this here is also a demand zone, but was taken out. This is the rally base rally. This rally breaks this, so this is supposed to be respected. It was taken out, and you can see price used it as a sell opportunity to take out all these ones and revisit this OB. So on the higher time frame, this is also another OB which is supposed to take out. So here there's nothing here. This is another this OB is now to be taken out. So this came back to pulling more fire here, so we're expecting price to take out seeing this here. I'm supposed to take out this. Okay, I shouldn't have removed this. Okay, why? Because is this supply fund price down here so that price can tap in here, but it's supposed to be taken out. So this BOS is still part of it. It's supposed to be taken out. Meanwhile, I will say it has done its job here. So So I expect this guy to do his job here because this guy took it out. So here should buy up to this zone to take out this buy. Okay, so if price should come back here, fine. If price decided not to, then it's cool. It's not a big deal. There's nothing to be angry about. There's nothing to be angry about. So this is, you can see how when price mitigate this, it created this. This one was mitigated by this, and it continues to push higher. So I have this mitigating this also mitigating this, so this also mitigating this. Okay, so this is the last base. You can see when price reacted to the demand, we have rally. Meanwhile, this is a drop base. So we start seeing change. This is the first rally base, rally base, rally. This is the first proper retracement back to base, broke out, another retracement back to base. So here I'm looking to take out this zone here. Okay, so on daily, what do we have? No change of character here. So inside BOS, inside these ones are just inside BOS on a daily. Okay, probably so here I'm looking to buy up, take out this high. So let's see what 4 hour has. As 4 hour giving us any chart view. This is looking like a double, you can see. So this was the last low and price retraced to break out, but it didn't. So if this should confirm 4 hour chalk, I need to go back, and this should confirm SH on the 4 hour. Then what exactly will I get an entry from? I'll get an entry from probably this candlesticks here. This one took out the lows of all these guys. So if I see an entry here, because there's no fair value gap anywhere, if I see price here, I would love to wait and yes, and I would love to see that gets taken. Yeah, I think, because if I from daily view, this is a retracement back to base, and if I see the first change of character here, then I'll probably see some entries here. Why? Because this took out some liquidity here, and if it breaks, then I'm taking it. You can see that it's an inside bar for all the candles here. It's an inside bar for what happened. Okay, it's an inside bar for all the candles there. Let me change this then. So something like this. As a price, I'm expecting this base here to form the sell back to here. Then I'm expecting this to aim for this buy side. So if price should do that, then I'll probably look for a buy setup here. My stop should be at this lowest point, 45 pips to how many is this? Wow, this is 2.2, 45. That's about 126. Yes, that's about 126. 45 times 6, that's 24. This is 2.26, so it's close to 126. So if I see this, I'm not going lower to find entry on 15. No, I'm not doing that. The only thing I could do is my entry should be on 1 minute. I'll just from 1 minute set my limits and my stop loss. But you can imagine, if you have the funds if you have the funds for 1 minute to come in here and it will not blow your account, fine. But if you don't, just stick to your 4 hours entry and find your entry here, and boom, you can see that this is a lot of equal highs here. These are liquidities that needs to be taken. Okay. At least these ones have been taken. Internal range has been taken, so this external as less fall. So this is my view for this is my view for EU for week 4, and you guys can I didn't expect you guys to show up here. Problem. This is just a buy side. I think this is the in fact it looks equal highs. And if you see, there's a fair value gap here on a daily. Where's my fair value gap? Yep, here. This is the fair value gap here. It's just daily, I don't see. Gap here daily, so It's not a bad entry though. So this is not a fair value gap. Everything has been blocked. It's only this place. So that means the 4-hour entry is a confirmation entry. So you know, the 4-hour is a confirmation entry here. You see it now? It's a confirmation entry. So you know, so this is equivalent to double bottom. First rejection, second one breaks out, you know you're heading for the neckline, but the candle that pushed it out is very good. So take out the equal highs and the BASH. Alright, that's that on EU, guys. See you. Note, if you come down to 3 months, you can see that the buy is a long journey. You can see that the buy is a long journey. So if you want to hold and find more entries, that would be amazing. Okay, that would be really amazing. All right, see you guys, and back test the broker you are using on your trading view so that you can have a good backdated data to support your analysis, so you also be on the wrong trend. All right, bye guys.